As seen in the last two videos that there was an illegal intention of the Kotak Mahindra Bank to grab the property from the Cogent Ventures India Limited and that they somehow were successful in their conspiracy. Before starting this video, it is recommended to watch the previous two videos. In this video, we will specifically talk about illegalities which were there in the conspiracy hatched by officials of Kotak Mahindra Bank. It's the then director along with the owner Shri Virendra Sharma. Filing two alleged documents, that is power of attorney and the supporting affidavit in DRT along with an original application number 57/2009 filed by the Kotak Mahindra Bank against Cogent Ventures India Limited. It is an admitted fact by the Kotak Mahindra Bank itself that the loan sanctioned to Cogent Venture India Limited was an unsecured loan, which surely brings us to the conclusion that there was no requirement of power of attorney and a supporting affidavit to be executed and submitted to bank for sanctioning of loan. Bank was unable to produce the original loan documents and original power of attorney and supporting affidavit, which brings a doubt in the mind that was done only because if court would have sent original loan documents and original power of attorney and supporting affidavit in forensic lab, which court generally do, then the Kotak Mahindra would have been caught at the first instance. There are two letters issued by Kotak Mahindra Bank dated 11/11/2009 and 12/11/2009, which are both contradictory to each other completely. Kotak Mahindra Bank wrote a letter dated 11/11/2009 misrepresented to the police that the allegations in the said FIR number 149/2009 are correct and the said loan was a secured loan availed fraudulently by Bhupender Bagla in the company Messrs Cogent Ventures India Limited. However, the very next day, the Kotak Mahindra Bank sent a letter dated 12/11/2009 to CVIL whereby it was clarified that the said loan was without any collateral security or mortgage, and it was further clarified that the said lease property was not mortgaged or hypothecated with the bank. Hence, the statement made by officers of the bank to the police and the DRT was false. The officers of the bank are clearly making such false statements at the instance of their higher management who were acting in conspiracy with Shri Virendra Sharma to get hold of the property. Bhupender Bagla was granted anticipatory bail in the FIR number 149/2009 by the Court of Special Judge, Greater Bombay at Bombay White Order dated 13th April 2010 for a period of 2 weeks, that is up to 28th April 2010. Later, Bhupender Bagla was called on by the IO to appear on 27th April 2010. Dr. Santosh Kumar Bagla accompanied Bhupender Bagla to the police station and met the SHO Shri Amandeep Sehgal in this regard, and SHO called the IO and told to record the statement of Bhupender Bagla. At that time, IO called the DCP, that is Mr. Shankar Das, who instructed the IO to arrest Bhupender Bagla. The IO arrested him illegally with wrong intentions. It is clear that is only because of the influence of Shri Uday, Suresh, Kotak and officers of Kotak Mahindra Bank that the police authorities arrested Bhupender Bagla despite of the bail orders, thereby even causing grave contempt of the orders of the Honorable Court of Bombay. Bhupender Bagla was got arrested illegally despite the fact that he had bail orders from the court of Mumbai where he resided at the relevant time. Thereafter, Bhupender Bagla remained in judicial custody for 2 days. Bhupender Bagla was presented before the magistrate and the regional manager of Kotak Mahindra Bank was called upon to clarify whether the loan granted was a secured or unsecured loan. The very next day, advocate appeared on behalf of the regional manager, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and gave the statement that the loan in question was sanctioned as a unsecured loan. Then Mr. Bhupender Bagla was granted bail by Patiala House Court, New Delhi, white order dated 29th April 2010. While passing the order on bail, this honorable court made specific remark about the illegal arrest was done when proper protection or bail was available to the applicant and the loan taken by the company was an unsecured business loan without any mortgage.